welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with yet another hair review, hair tutorial, whatever it is that you want to call it. Your girl is back with another one, and this time it's on this unit that you see me wearing right here. It's from Arabella. I'll have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And sis, I come out with new videos every week, so go ahead and hit that notification bell as well. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay y'all, so again, I received this unit from Arabella Hair, and when they sent over the hair, it came in this box right here. So opening up the box, we have the unit itself, like a little card, a pair of lashes, and then a little baggie with their logo on it. So let's see what's in this bag. We have another pair of lashes, a headband, a little cute pen. Girl, I needed another one of these. An edge brush, a clip to pull back your hair, and then a wig cap. So they came with all of the goods that you will need to basically, you know, get started with your wig. So let's go ahead and open up this wig. Girl, look at the color, honey. I'm tangled. Don't you hate when that happens? Okay, so sis, look at this unit. I am here for this color. So I believe this is their 4x4 ginger body wave wig. Is in the 18 inches. I forget the density, but y'all know I will already have the details once we get further along in the video. So right now, those are the specs that I have, and this is the unit. It is looking really nice, y'all. This color is looking very pretty. At first I thought it got went from light to dark, but now that I'm looking at it, it's all one color. It's all ginger. It just kind of probably looks like that from the lighting of my camera. But yeah, it's a 4x4 unit. This is the closure. And this is what it looks like underneath in the parting space. Then you have a comb on either side. You have an elastic band. And the elastic band is not adjustable to where you can take it off or whatever. It is just on there, and it has a really good stretch to it, by the way. It as well has a comb in the middle, a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So y'all, that is the unit. And as well, the hair is feeling really thick, and the ends of the hair looks nice. They don't look frizzy or anything like that. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by plucking this unit. I'm going to part just a little bit, and then I'm going to use my hot comb just so that I can see the part and see the hair clearly. And then after I do that, I'm going to begin plucking, and it's no method to my plucking. I'm literally just going along the hairline and just plucking hair where I see fit. So yeah, you guys. And here I'm just showing you the difference, nothing drastic or whatever, but it is a slight difference. Now I'm going to take my powder and I'm going to use that to tint my lace. You guys can use foundation or lace tint, whatever it is that you would like to use. To lay my wig down, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then use my blow dryer to seal in the spray. So now I'm going to use that same powder that I used in the beginning, and I'm going to go along the hairline, and then I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue Free Spray again and go along the hairline and then blow dry it down. And you guys, this just gives it the perfect melt. This step is optional. So now I'm going to begin to style this unit, and first I'm going to start off by parting the hair down the middle. Again, this is a T-part unit, so I really don't have to do much, but I do want to get the part as straight as I can. Then I'm going to grab my hot comb and I'm going to flatten the part, and then I'm going to use that as well to style the front. So now I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue Free Spray and spray that on the part and in the front. And y'all, this just gives it a more sleek look, and it holds down all of the flyaways. You guys can use your wax stick, but your girl don't have her wax stick. I don't know where it's at. It's been lost for a long time, y'all. So this works just as good. To style my baby hairs, you guys, I'm going to first pull down some hair in the middle, and then I'm going to cut and trim it up, and then use my Lotta Body mousse to style the edges, and then I'm going to repeat those steps on the two sides. Now I'm going to begin curling this unit, and I'm just using a regular curling iron. I believe it's 1 inch, and yeah, you guys, I'm going to just use that, and I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue as holding spray before I start to curl my hair. curls, I'm just spraying some oil sheen in my hands and running my fingers through the curls. And I'm not going to separate them too much, but you know, just a little bit. Okay, sis, so here is what we are looking like. And honey, when I say the color of this wig is everything, y'all, like I am really loving the color of this hair. Like this wig is so pretty. So let me go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back. So that was the back of the hair, y'all. So getting into the details of this unit, this hair was sent to me from Arabella Hair, and they sent over their 4x4 ginger unit. It is a closure unit, of course, and it is 180% density, and as well it's 18 inches. So y'all, first and foremost, this is a big hair friendly unit. Y'all already know your girl has a big head and it fit on my head perfectly. The texture of this unit, y'all, when I say this hair is so soft and you can run your fingers through it and no tangling, no shedding, like y'all, this is some really pretty hair. The quality is super good, y'all. Like this is A1 quality. Again, the ends weren't frizzy. Like this is like some really good hair, and it's silky, and the oil sheen just made it even more lustful and whatnot. So yeah, y'all, this is some really pretty hair. And as well, the lace or whatever melted very nicely, y'all, very nicely. I did add some more powder to the hairline, and I added powder to the part. You can't really tell though because it is a colorful unit, but yeah, I did add powder. So yeah, y'all, it melted nicely. Overall, this hair is very nice. I love the fullness. Like this 180% density, y'all. Like this wig is so thick, like super thick, and I don't know, y'all, like I'm just really feeling this hair. So yeah, I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment, share, and all that good stuff. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.